Hello guys, today I want to show you a tutorial how to add GIF that we have installed before in different directory. For example, I have Steam game that I save in this directory. I already have installed a lot of game. When I reinstall the Windows and install Steam, it not detect my game in this directory. So to fix this, we can going to Steam menu in left top of the screen and then going to setting menu and then we can go to storage menu and then in here we can add drive and then we can choose another location and then we choose add and then we can select the location right here for example and then I can click select folder and then as you can see now all my game so in Steam. I no need to re-download this anymore. I hope this tutorial helped you. Thank you for watching and auf Wiedersehen.